Hello everyone. A lot of you have asked this question, what kind of pictures you have to submit for Miss India. Whether they have to be shot at the studio, what I have to wear, what exactly should I be doing, how I should pose. So there are a whole lot of questions you have asked about the pictures. First and foremost, I would like to tell you that it's not expected that all of you will give a portfolio shot or a professional picture for Miss India, because maybe some of you are from that kind of a line and you already have portfolios made, or you already got this portfolio done preparing for Miss India, but there are so many of you who don't have it. It's because all of a sudden um, the the height criteria has changed to 5'3", and there are so many girls to whom this news came as a very pleasant surprise. And since they don't have much of a time, they cannot, because to get a portfolio done you have to take an appointment from a professional photographer. It costs money. You need a makeup artist, you need a designer, and it's costly. So a lot of people cannot afford it. So can they not fill up the form for Miss India? Yes, they can. What you have to do, just remember that what pictures you submit have to be clear, they should not be hazy, focused, and they have to be according to what they have asked. If they say full length, it has to be full length. If they say half, it is half. And if it is a close up, then it's a close up. A lot of you are sending pictures like sitting on the chair, sitting on staircase. Please don't send pictures like that. It just takes a little bit of an effort to click those pictures from your mobile. But before you click your pictures, make an effort to look like a queen. You cannot be just getting out of your bedroom and clicking a picture and looking absolutely ungroomed and not at all looking nice. So make an effort, because a queen must look like a queen. So dress up, do your best, wear some makeup, find a proper background where you need to click pictures. If you can't do it yourself, you can take help from someone who can click it for you. Maybe if you feel there's no one to help you, there would be definitely a photo studio near your house where you go to get your passport pictures clicked. Those guys will click it for you. Or maybe you find a freelancer friend of yours who can click it for you. So there are, if it has to be done, it has to be done. So please don't sit over this decision, because you only have till 2nd of November to fill up your form, and if you do it later, it will not be accepted. So find someone who can click pictures for you. Second thing, when you click these pictures, try and wear something dark which enhances your body, and wear something which is figure hugging. Don't wear something which has frills or is skirt like with flares, or completely covered body, because at least they should be able to make out what is your body shape, what is your body structure. So pick up a dress which is most complimentary for you and your body type. Pick up a pose which is complimentary, but it has to be straight on looking into the camera, no side poses, no looking back poses. So it has to be looking straight into the camera. And try not to use props to cover your body, maybe a handbag or a fan or something. A lot of girls try to use that, and when you try to use these props to cover your body, indirectly you are sending out a message, I'm trying to cover a flaw. So they'll be a little suspicious. So what you need to do is to have not use any props to cover your body. And especially at the mid length, a lot of people wear flary thing, thinking that they'll not be able to make out my waistline. So it's very important that you don't use any of those tricks, and please don't use any filters, or don't put artificial makeup through these apps on your pictures. Try to keep them as natural as possible. Second, or maybe third thing, do not wear colored contact lenses. You can wear natural lenses which are same color as your eyes. Do not wear very huge false eyelashes. Do not have makeup which is absolutely showing a contoured face and stuff. Yes, wear makeup, but try and keep it as pleasant and as natural as you can. Don't go out of your way trying to hide your flaws through going crazy kind of a makeup. So your hair, again, if you have a nice hair, you can leave it in soft curls. You can make a high pony. If you have a good bone structure, try and show it off. You can wear hoops in your ears, or maybe something long in your ears to enhance your face. Um, but whatever pictures you click, if it's full length, they should be able to see you from top to bottom. If it's a close up, it's a close up. So get yourself groomed, get your eyebrows done, get that mustache out of your face, put on little makeup, give some great nice expressions, smile for your pictures, don't look scared, don't touch your face like this and distorting it. Even if you have to touch it very very lightly, so that your face appears to be normal. And so on, and that's what I said, if you take help from someone, the pictures will come out better. And do find a place, if you're not using artificial light for the picture, find a place where you have normal lights coming directly on your face, no shadows which would hide your face, and nothing which is an obstruction in front of you in pictures. And so you can have great poses. You can check the internet for various poses, maybe with one hand up, or maybe standing with an attitude. Find some nice poses which will complement and show your personality, and that you made an effort to do your homework for those pictures. So, and again, your dress can be, as I said, normally um, figure hugging dress and dark color dress, but again it is your personal choice whether you want to use a western dress or an Indian wear. Whatever you feel comfortable in, and whatever makes you feel that yes, I'm looking my best, and makes you feel confident, get those pictures done. Again, 3 pictures have to be done, remember, and they have to be submitted with the form. So do get them clicked, and if there's any question you have about it, or if you've got any confusion, you can always ask me, and I will also try and make another video on the equipment you might require to click those videos or to click those pictures which you need to upload. So wait for that. I will make it very soon and put it up there, but this is specifically about the pictures. So I've covered hair, I've covered your makeup, I've covered your poses, I've covered your dress, your background, and what you have to keep in mind when you make those pictures. So all the very best. Happy clicking.